Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to hide taskbar on Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop I just open start menu, I just go to settings option. So once I open settings option, there will be a lot of option will be available. Just go to personalization. So once I click a personalization, just scroll down, you will have an option called taskbar. Once you click a taskbar option, there will be a plenty of taskbar details will be there, and just scroll down, you will have a taskbar behaviors. I just click here for this taskbar behavior. There will be a option will be display over here, automatically hide taskbar. So just check in the option, automatically your taskbar will be hidden over here as you see. So if I remove means the taskbar will come here, and if I checkbox means the taskbar will be hidden over there in my desktop or laptop. So now I can work for any types of software without disturbing any other things. For example, I just open here, so I just scroll down, automatically this taskbar will be open here. I just click here to create a Word or Excel or any other things, the taskbar won't be displayed over there. So if you want to create any softwares or if you want to edit, your taskbar is disturbing means you can hide this option using this. Just scroll down, you will get your taskbar. Again, if you move your cursor on top, automatically your cursor will be on top, means your taskbar will be hidden over here. As you see, my entire screen will be with the software, so without any other hesitation. So if I want a taskbar, just go there, automatically it will come, or your start menu, if you press means taskbar will come. If you click here means automatically it will be hidden. So if you want to remove the hidden option, just go to the same setting option, just remove this, automatically a taskbar will come. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my Havox channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.